2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, moonroof, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.